Welcome to the Military System channel. Before watching, don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and comment. Enjoy watching. F-16 Fighting Falcon, a fighter aircraft that has long been known as one of the icons in the world of military aviation. This aircraft has proven its prowess in various battlefields since it was first introduced in 1978. Made by General Dynamics, now part of Lockheed Martin, the F-16 was designed to be a multi-role fighter capable of operating in various missions, from dogfights to ground attacks. Development history. The F-16 was developed in response to the United States Air Force, USAF, need for a light fighter aircraft that could complement the larger and more expensive F-15 Eagle. The Lightweight Fighter, LWF, program was initiated in the early 1970s, and General Dynamics won the contract with the YF-16 design, which was later adopted as the F-16 Fighting Falcon. The success of the F-16 was not limited to the United States. The aircraft has also been adopted by many U.S. allies, making it one of the most widely used fighter aircraft in the world. Countries such as the Netherlands, Turkey, and South Korea are some of the major users of the F-16. Design and technology. The F-16 is designed around the fly-by-wire concept, an electronic flight control system that replaces conventional mechanical controls. This gives the F-16 exceptional maneuverability and makes it highly responsive to pilot input. Its innovative aerodynamic design, including larger and wider wings, also contributes to the aircraft's agility and speed. The F-16's cockpit is equipped with a bubble canopy that provides the pilot with 360-degree visibility, a feature that is very important in dogfights. In addition, the F-16 is also equipped with an ejection seat that is tilted 30 degrees rearward to reduce the effects of gravity on the pilot during extreme maneuvers. Performance and capabilities. The Pratt & Whitney F100 PW200 turbofan engine provides strong thrust, allowing the F-16 to reach a maximum speed of over Mach 2. With an operating range of over 500 nautical miles without refueling, the F-16 can operate in various combat environments without difficulty. The F-16 is equipped with a variety of weapons, ranging from the 20mm M61 Vulcan machine gun, AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, to smart bombs such as JDAM, Joint Direct Attack Munition. This aircraft is also capable of carrying AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missiles and various types of conventional bombs and precision-guided munitions. Role in conflict. The F-16 has proven its prowess in various conflicts, from the Gulf War in 1991 to NATO operations in Yugoslavia and Afghanistan.
Joshua, this is Palmdale, full out 4100. November 32, they do lose squawk 0425.
In the Gulf War, the F-16 played a vital role in destroying Iraqi military infrastructure and establishing air supremacy for the coalition. In Yugoslavia, the F-16 was used in bombing missions to suppress Serbian forces.
Cross on the center, 127.1.
Guess he's not talking to me.
Skull 1 from 2. I recommend you just set that base.
Modernization and variants. Since its first introduction, the F-16 has undergone various upgrades to stay relevant to technological developments and battlefield needs. The latest variants, such as the F-16V Viper, are equipped with AESA, active electronically scanned array, radars, more advanced avionics systems, and the ability to integrate the latest weapons. In addition, several countries that use the F-16 have also made their own upgrades to their fleets. The future of the F-16. Although the F-16 has been in service for more than 4 decades, this aircraft still has a bright future. With ongoing upgrade programs and still high demand from countries around the world, the F-16 remains one of the backbones of air forces in various countries. Lockheed Martin also continues to improve the capabilities of the F-16, including offering variants with stealth capabilities and more advanced weapons systems. Thus, the F-16 will continue to be a major player in the world of military aviation for years to come. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to watch the next video. Thank you.